Close to 1 lakh CSCs already in place, and I think in next couple of years it will be around 250,000 CSCs. So these CSCs are primarily located in the rural areas, and they offer lots of government services. So financial inclusion, as you said, yes, we have about no out of 70% rural population, 65% are unbanked. So they are the people who are no, not so privileged to have an account even, and basically these are poor people. So these CSCs during this conference only, there are about I just don't recollect the number. They have already started no, extending these banking services all to the farmers. So VLEs, maybe how it could happen that no, they become the business correspondent. That no, other banks like they have various schemes, no, that business correspondent, he goes to the rural areas with a mobile handset and a printer and a thumb impression kind of no, gadget, wherein he just identifies the person and makes the debit and credits. So similar sort of services are proposed to be given through the CSCs, and as per the government initiative only, they plan to set up these CSCs in the rural areas. So it's a good, I think, step forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the role of UID to achieve the goals of financial inclusion in India?
Yeah, the other major initiative is the UID. By 2014, as has been said, that they plan to no, give 60 crore UIDs, and slowly it is picking up. And during one of the interactions with the sessions which I attended during the conference, it was brought out that they are also planning to extend these banking facilities to the rural areas. As per the plan, this UID is mainly targeted towards the people who are not so privileged, or no, they are not having access to the various government services or these schemes which are targeted towards the BPL or the below poverty line people. So what they are saying that once they are given with the UID number, then authentication can take place, because the UID they are capturing the biometrics of the persons. So identification issue is resolved. So one of the constraint is that whether the person who is authorized to get some benefit, he should only get it. So that thing to some extent is resolved once we capture the biometrics, and once they extend the authentication services also in the rural areas through CSCs or any other media which we discussed so far, the person who is authorized some benefit, say out of any schemes, various beneficial schemes are launched by the central and the state government. MNREGA is there, Rashtriya Bima Yojana, there is another scheme. So these people can go there, just give their UID number and the fingerprint, that gets authenticated, and there is a plan to link, open their accounts also. They are also already in talk with, I think, various banks. Some kind of account will be opened that get linked to the UID, and the amount, say 1500 or whatever benefit government wants to give, that directly gets credited. And another advantage which they had brought out, the mobility part. So see, there is a centralized database. So a person from Bihar moves to Bombay and he has got his UID number and he can authenticate it there also. So account thing is virtual only now. So that amount gets credited into his account wherever he is, from anywhere in India. So this is, I think, another good step forward for making this service available to the poor.
One last question. According to you, what kind of re-engineering is needed for effective implementation of ICT in financial inclusion?
The connectivity part, I think, is lacking. Other thing is the solution as such. We don't have a solution like the core banking solution, which is already available, which has got lot many features as compared to the things which may be required at the rural areas. So we have to firstly build a system which can be easily integrated with the core banking solution, and strengthen are the connectivity part, so that it could happen online. These are the two things which I think we have to focus to improve upon these two areas, so that becomes seamless kind of a banking solution, irrespective of where it is. That is only thing I think the engineering required. First is this.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.